Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Cinco de Mayo. El Matador! My little Spanish blood coming out. Anyway, S&P 500 ETF, the S&P, the spiders. There's a fair amount of trouble in Greece. If you've been looking at any news, people are rioting. A few people have died actually already. Big question as to whether they're going to get their bailout at all, and if so, what it's going to do. And so that kind of uncertainty on a global scale can have a fairly dramatic mark. You can see that right here in the shadow left. If you go to a daily chart, of course, you know where that came from. Drag it up and down. That's a pretty good size sell-off and a definite crack. We have this lower swing high now intact that was a symmetrical triangle basing on its high, definitely broken with an unfilled gap now. That unfilled gap can be seen without the pre- and post-market data a little bit easier. And there he is, that little hole in the wall they call that, even past support. So some really nice, famous short selling opportunities yesterday, but you have to be poised for it. Right now we're basing on our low, and even a little bit lower than yesterday's lows at 117.01. You can see it testing that right now, 117. So that actually becomes a line that we can drop in on a higher time frame. So 117 goes right through here. There we go. So that's something we'll be watching. It matches perfectly with the rising 50 MA on a higher time frame, this daily chart. So that's going to be a good level of support. If it breaks that, then I have to actually look intraday at a 60-minute chart to find the next one and scrunch the chart up because it's so far back. And this swing low through here, and right now we're kind of filling this gap, even though it was tested once or twice through here, and below that all the way down to here. So even blasting through the 116 mark down to 115, if we get that dramatic of a sell-off on this kind of volume again, that's going to be very, very telling. And again, you can see that volume print. If I bring that up higher, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's on par with the last highest of the 7 days or the last few months. That definitely means something. So anyway, to sort of even this out a bit, on the other side, if you look at a weekly chart, of course, we knew this was coming. It's just the speed of it and the fear involved will be something to watch. And that, again, is all about the sentiment read as we march through here. Big move up, right to the 200 MA, pulls back. That's not rare at all. It's what we've been expecting, especially after a multi-week run-up. We've been trying to call this for a while and being careful how we tiptoed in long positions through here. But again, the speed that this sell-off occurs and whether it pulls back up into here and tests out of it will be hugely telling for the longer-term sentiment read of the broad markets especially. So good stuff, everybody. Just some words for you to digest and take into account, and I hope it's helpful for you in your trading, and I sure look forward to talking to you around noon Eastern Standard Time to see how things are shaping up. Good stuff, everybody. Talk to you soon.